Well, friends, India's Supreme Court has declined to legalize same sex unions, dashing the hopes of millions of LGBTQ plus people seeking marriage equality. And the court instead accepted the government's offer to set up a panel to consider granting more legal rights and benefits to same sex couples. Activists and same sex couples said they were disappointed by the judgment and would continue to campaign and hoped for better judgments. Same sex marriage verdict. The Supreme Court pronounced its verdict on the legal recognition of the same sex marriage on 17th of October 2023. The apex court had reserved its judgment on 11th May on a batch of pleas seeking legal validation for same sex marriage. During the course, the petitioner said that India is a marriage based culture and LGBT, lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender couples should be granted the same rights as any heterosexual couples have, like the status of spouse in finance and insurance issues, medical inheritance, succession decisions, even in adoption and surrogacy matters. And the court was considering 21 petitions by same sex couples and activists, and the five-judge bench had held extensive hearings in April and May, and the deliberations were live streamed in public interest. While the government and religious leaders had strongly opposed the petitions, the government had insisted that only Parliament could discuss the socio legal issue of marriage and argued that allowing the same sex marriage would lead to chaos in society. The Chief Justice read out a long list of directions to the government, asking them to ensure the end of all discrimination against the queer community and to protect them from harassment and violence. Justice Chandrachud also said that queer and unmarried couples could jointly adopt a child. Some say the decision to leave it all to the government committee with no timeline for it to be set up would provide them with rights and leave everything in the hands of bureaucratic uncertainty. Well, friends, attitudes to sex and sexuality in India remain largely conservative, and activists say that the community continues to face stigma and discrimination. The nudge, actually, that could have come did not come today. Let's hope things are better in future to drive society to accept the community. For more updates, keep watching YOG TV, keep subscribing to this channel. We bring you the best updates possible.